Friends, have you ever tried building backlinks for your website? Finding the right journalists and sending outreach emails takes forever, and scaling it is even harder. Backlinker AI is the best AI outreach tool that handles it all for you. I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today I'm showing you what it is like to use Backlinker in real life. I've only been testing this platform for 30 days, and I'm amazed that it automates the entire outreach process using AI. I'll show you how easy it is to set up and how it works behind the scenes. Most importantly, I'll share the results it delivered for my website. You'll see the dashboard, the reports, and the backlinks that were published, so you can decide for yourself whether it's worth it. Also, stay till the end to get a 50% limited time discount code if you are one of my subscribers, so don't forget to stick around. Let's dive in! Guys, Backlinker AI is a platform that takes the whole backlink building process off your plate. That's really the main win here. It's the best fully automated AI backlink tool. You just set up a profile for your business or project, and that's it. The tool finds journalists in your niche, writes personalized pitches, and sends them out on your behalf. After that, you just sit back and wait for the results. Real articles getting published with links back to your site. Folks, what's really interesting about Backlinker is that it actually uses two AI systems working together. One of them focuses on finding and matching you with the most relevant journalists for your topic. The other writes outreach messages that sound like they were written by a real person. So let's take a look at how this works in practice. Alright guys, here's the cool part. Backlinker AI is a platform that basically takes backlink building off your plate completely. Like, you don't have to sit there pitching, researching, or manually creating links anymore. That's honestly the biggest win. It's a fully automated AI-powered reference tool. All you do is create a profile for your business or project. That's it. Folks, once you log in, you'll land on the dashboard. The first thing you'll see is the setup section, and it takes less than 30 seconds. You just add your company name, your profile link, and a short professional bio. But here's where it gets interesting. That simple setup does way more than you'd think. It powers the AI to go out and find the most relevant backlink opportunities in your niche. At the same time, it learns your tone of voice and writing style, so everything sounds like you. Mates, then it combines all of that with deep research to create natural outreach messages that feel human and connect with the right audience. You sign up on behalf of a real persona because reporters want quotes from real business owners and experts. Backlinker essentially acts as your personal press and off-page SEO agent. The result is high-quality backlinks, where you're quoted as an authority in your industry, boosting expertise, experience, and authoritativeness, which are known Google ranking factors. Mates, for any agency owners listening, this is hands down the best white-label backlink service I have found. You're guaranteed 3 high-quality backlinks per client every month. The wholesale pricing is very reasonable, especially when clients can receive anywhere from 3 to 20+ backlinks monthly, which you can easily bundle into your existing SEO services. Folks, you can also run Backlinker for multiple websites you own. For example, I can add one using the same LinkedIn profile, but with a different company name. So if I wanted to promote my blog, TechWire, it's pretty straightforward. I just enter the company name, set my job title as CEO, and add the blog as the website. Then I add a short description, save the changes, and that's it. Everything's ready to go. Configuration updates and monthly activation are handled automatically on the 27th of each month, so there's nothing extra you need to do. In my case, I've set up a persona that represents me as a company founder, and I've been running this service for only 1 month. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Friends, before we jump into analytics, let's quickly start in the service tab, because this is where all your active personas live. Each persona represents a real person or company running a backlink campaign. Right below the persona, you can see the performance stats updating automatically every 24 hours. This shows how many pitches have been sent, how many were selected, and how many have turned into published articles. If you scroll down, you'll also see the published articles section. This is where all your live placements appear once they go live. Folks, and now let's get to the most interesting part, the results. So here's what we're seeing. The stats show 240 pitches in total and 17 published so far. This gives us a full picture of how the AI assistant has been working over the past month. Guys, let's jump into the analytics section and look at the overall summary. On the right, you'll see total pitches, 240. That means the system automatically found and sent 240 unique responses to journalists on our behalf. You didn't have to write a single email manually. Hiring a PR agency for this would cost thousands. Friends, below that we have total published, 18, which means 18 live backlinks we've already secured. The average success rate is 1.8%. At first glance, that might sound low, but in PR, it's solid. Backlinker runs 24/7 at scale, so even a 2 to 3% conversion rate delivers consistent, high-quality references every month. Normally, this one link alone would be upwards of $500. You can see published links, success rates, and track performance month by month. The links menu shows selected responses, approved by journalists but not yet published. And the published section shows the trophies, live articles with backlinks pointing to your website. What's great is the system doesn't just show you the reference, it also shows the domain authority, or DA. And the higher it is, the more powerful that link is in Google's eyes. Guys, as you can see, we are landing backlinks from highly authoritative sites, the kind that are usually tough and expensive to get manually. And this all happened automatically, just because the profile was set up properly. If you go to the Configuration tab, that's where the magic starts. This is where you create your persona, basically your digital twin for journalists. You add your name, LinkedIn, job title, even a photo. Folks, the most important field here is professional biography. That's what the AI learns from. The clearer and more detailed your background is, the better the responses, and the higher the chances journalists will actually publish your quotes. Now let's talk pricing. The Pro plan is $300 per month. It's a fixed price and includes 150 plus automated pitches every month. Friends, here's what I really like. There's a guarantee. You're promised at least 3 backlinks with DA 30+. If not, you get your money back. But as the analytics show, the results can go way beyond that, and there's no cap. You pay one flat monthly fee and get as many backlinks as the system secures. It even includes outreach through premium platforms like Featured.com, which normally require a separate subscription. Now imagine doing this manually, sending 240 pitches yourself. Even if you got 18 backlinks, you'd easily spend over $3,500 at market rates. Some services charge around $280 for just one similar reference. So when you look at the full picture, the savings are massive, especially considering the high domain ratings we're already getting. Alright, my friends, let's wrap this up with some final thoughts. After testing Backlinker AI, what really stood out is how hands-off it is. You set it up once and it runs in the background, matching, pitching, and landing placements for you. It's ideal if you want references without the manual grind, plus there's a guarantee and no long-term lock-in. Over time, you start seeing real placements, and real backlinks show up in your reports. If you value your time and want a scalable way to build links without burning out, it's definitely worth a look. Guys, check the link in the description. I've added a special discount code. Normally, it's $300 per month per persona. Right now, you can get 50% off, which makes it much easier to test or use across multiple sites. And yes, the guarantee still applies. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.